Hey everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Whiteboard 101, the series in which I answer your most important questions about cryptocurrencies in less than 2 minutes. In today's video, we are answering the question, what is gas and what is its role within the Ethereum blockchain? Now, sending cryptocurrencies requires computational power, and gas is simply a way of measuring the computational power needed to perform a certain transaction. Depending on the complexity, different operations require different amounts of gas, but the amount of gas is always fixed based on the transaction. So, for example, if I have a car that needs to travel 40 miles and it gets 40 miles per gallon, I know that I need to purchase 1 gallon worth of gasoline to complete my trip. And as you can see from this example here, different transactions on the Ethereum blockchain require different amounts of gas. The one on the left requires a larger amount than the one on the right, and consequently the price of the transaction is higher. Now, although the amount of gas for a transaction is fixed, the price is not, and it can go up or down just like the price of gasoline at a gas station. One important note is that we do not price gas in dollars or cents. It is priced in a unit known as gwei. The cool thing about the Ethereum blockchain is that users specify the gas price. So I can specify whatever price I want, but miners decide whether or not to process the transaction based on the profitability. So, as you can see on the left, I've specified a gas price of 110, but on the right, I've only specified 10, and obviously the transaction on the right will cost significantly less. However, here's the catch. Setting your gas price too low will result in a canceled or slow transaction, whereas a higher fee will generally result in the transaction processing quicker. So the safe transaction is generally accepted minimum fee for a successful completion and can be found on sites like ETH gas station. In summary, the total cost of a transaction will be the gas times the gas price. Higher complexity transactions require more fees, and higher gas prices generally lead to your transaction being processed quicker. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.